In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your Shein cart to someone. Whether you're looking to share your style finds with a friend or collaborate on a purchase, I'll walk you through the steps to easily share your shopping cart items with anyone. While Shein has removed the direct share cart button in most regions and some app versions, don't worry, I'll show you a simple workaround that you can use on your desktop web browser. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Shein website. Once you've logged into your account and gathered the items you love into your cart, you're ready to begin sharing. Head over to your cart page by clicking on the cart icon typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Once there, you'll see all the fashionable pieces you've selected. Now, while there's no single button to share the entire cart, you can still share individual items. To do this, select an item from your cart. When you click on it, look for the Share button. Clicking Share will give you a variety of options. You can choose to send your selections through popular platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even email. There's also an option to copy the link, which you can then paste into any chat or message. The next step is to repeat this process for each item in your cart. It may seem a bit tedious at first, but it ensures that your friend receives all the details they need to add the items to their own cart. This can be especially useful if you're planning a group outfit or simply wanting shopping feedback. Once you've shared all the links, your friend can easily click on each one, view the item, and add it to their own cart. This method ensures that every item you want to share is right at their fingertips, ready for their own shopping spree. It's an effective way to ensure nothing gets lost in translation and all your great tastes in fashion get shared exactly as you see them. And there you have it. Even without a direct share cart feature, you're equipped with the know-how to share your Shein finds with friends and family. This workaround preserves the fun of collaborative shopping and keeps your fashion recommendations at their best. So go ahead and start sharing those must-have items, coordinating outfits with friends, or just getting a second opinion on your choices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online shopping experience. Happy shopping!